Pete Byrne.
Rise and shine, Michiana. Time for your morning sports update. The Chicago Blackhawks arrived in town yesterday, ready to begin training camp and eager to erase the painful memory of last year's playoff loss. WSBT's Adam Darengowski has more from Compton Ice Arena.
The NHL offseason was a little bit longer than normal for the Chicago Blackhawks, who suffered an overtime loss in Game 7 of last year's Western Conference Finals to the eventual Stanley Cup champion LA Kings. But with the Hawks returning to training camp this week at Compton Family Ice Center, the excitement of hockey season returns as well.
You know, it's going to be an exciting year for us, and we know how tough our division and our conference is, and it's important to get off to a great start, and looking forward to seeing these guys out there tomorrow.
We're excited to be around each other. We're excited to be back here again and looking at starting another season. I think we know what the big picture looks like. We know what we're capable of and what our end goal is this year.
The Blackhawks don't have a short memory when it comes to last year's Western Conference Finals loss that sent them packing. In fact, they've used that bad memory as a spark heading into training camp.
I think everybody certainly has a little bit of an appetite to get back to where we left off, knowing we left something out on the table and it was a disappointing ending.
Well, it's just motivation, knowing our potential, knowing how close we came, and I think understanding that we're going to be even better, having learned from that experience.
We have high expectations, and I think everybody on the team enjoys that challenge.
Whether it's veteran leadership or the young guys coming in these days, it seems like whether the year before we won the Stanley Cup or we fall just short, guys are motivated, guys are hungry to play their best.
Adam Darengowski, WSBT Channel 22 Sports.